হ্যালো, I am Hossein Ahmed, assistant teacher, Pumgao High School, Manoharganj, Kumilla. Hello, you hear me clearly? Anyone please confirm me that you clear see me and also hear me. Anyone comment please? You hear me or you see me clearly? Yes. Can I start, Atikur Rahman sir? Okay, dear student, today I am going to start right form of verb for class 6. I am Hossein Ahmed Apon, assistant teacher, Pumgao High School, Manoharganj, Kumilla. Dear student, right form of verb, that means ভার্বের সঠিক রূপ. So now tell me how many form of verb? Okay, there are 3 form of verb. One is present form, and another is past form, and other is past participle form. But you read in your English grammar book 3 form. Actually there is another form, present participle form, and what we use more and more in when we use right form of verb. So I write here only 4 types of form here: present, past participle, and another present participle. Present participle. Hello, do you see the writing clearly? Is it right way, or do you see this writing টার্নিং অর অর্থাৎ সোজাসুজি লেখা দেখা যাচ্ছে কিনা, বা লেখাগুলো কোনো উল্টা আসছে কিনা কেউ আমাকে জানাবে। আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমাকে ফ্রন্ট ক্যামেরা ইউজ করতে হবে। আমি সামনের ক্যামেরা ব্যবহার করছি। হ্যাঁ, একটু দেখে নেই। Vectors. Okay. Okay, MD Raju and Rahatuzzaman, I think now it's okay. Now it's not reflect. So there are 4 forms of verb: present, past participle, and present participle. Here I am going to write a verb. Just go is present form, went is past form, gone is past participle form, and verb plus ing is present participle form. So these are form of verbs. So when we use this form of verb? Here present form, past form, and past participle form, and its present participle form. You know there are 12 types of tense: present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense, and such as 12 types of tense. And where, in which tense you should use the present form? Is it main question? When we use present form? Only when we find the sentence is in present indefinite tense, then we can use present form. And also we need to লেখা উল্টো আসে না, লেখা না, লেখা ঠিক আছে, আগে উল্টা ছিল, লেখা আসছে উল্টা, এখন ঠিক আছে, আমি ওই সময় ওইভাবে দিচ্ছি তো তখন উল্টা ছিল। It's okay. When I use front camera, then they comment the writing is reflect. Now it's okay. So just look who comment anything and try to reply. Okay. So dear student, when we use present form, actually right form, if I ask you what is the capital of Bangladesh, you answer me Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Why? Because Dhaka is the center of Bangladesh. And if I ask you what is the center of Dhaka, then you all answer me Gulistan is the center of Dhaka. So in this regard, if I ask you what is the center of English grammar, obviously you answer me tense is the center of English grammar. And also if I ask what is the center of tense, then we all answer that verb is the center of tense. So in which tense, অর্থাৎ কোন টেন্সে we use present form of verb. Today I only discuss with you only one form. When we use this form, present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, we use present form of verb. So how we can understand the sentence is present indefinite tense? Look at the whiteboard. If we find every day, usually, generally, regularly, daily, always, often. If we find these types of adverb, then we use present form of verb, because when we find these types of adverb, the sentence will be present indefinite tense, and in present indefinite tense we use present form of verb. And when we find the sentence universal truth, universal truth, such as the sun rises in the east, সূর্য পূর্ব দিকে উঠে, it's universal truth. The sun sets in the west, সূর্য পশ্চিম দিকে অস্ত যায়। অর্থাৎ যদি চিরন্তন সত্য কোনো বাক্য আমরা পাই, তাহলে সেটা অবশ্যই প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স হবে। দেন উই উইল ইউজ প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম অফ ভার্ব, ইউনিভার্সাল ট্রুথ। রেগুলার ওয়ার্ক, regular work or habitual pact. হ্যাবিচুয়াল প্যাক্ট অর্থাৎ নিয়মিত কাজ, আমরা অভ্যাসগত কাজ যেগুলো, যেমন মাদার রিডস কোরআন রেগুলারলি, ডেইলি, প্রতিদিন মা কোরআন পড়ান, এটা হ্যাবিচুয়াল ফ্যাক্ট। উই প্লে ইন দ্য ফিল্ড ইন দ্য আফটারনুন, বিকেলে আমরা মাঠে খেলি, ইটস হ্যাবিচুয়াল ফ্যাক্ট, এটা হচ্ছে অভ্যাসগত কাজ, নিয়মিত কাজ। When we understand that the sentence reflects or the sentence means habitual fact or regular work, then we can use present form of verb. Okay, and when the sentence যখন কোনো সেন্টেন্সে কোনো কিছু আছে বোঝাবে, আমার একটি কলম আছে, আমাদের স্কুলে আমাদের শ্রেণীতে ৮০ জন ছাত্রছাত্রী আছে, কোথাও কিছু আছে বা ব্যক্তির কিছু আছে বোঝাতে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স। যেমন আই হ্যাভ এ ফ্যান, হেয়ার হ্যাভ ইজ প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম। হি হ্যাজ এ কার, তার একটি গাড়ি আছে। হ্যাঁ, সো কোথায় কারো কিছু আছে বোঝাতে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হয়, এবং কোথায় কিছু আছে বোঝাতে আমাদের শ্রেণীতে 50 জন ছাত্রছাত্রী আছে। There are, am is are present form, be is the base form, am is are present form, and was are past form. So কারো কিছু আছে বোঝালে, কোথাও কিছু আছে বোঝাতে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হয়, সেখানে আমরা ভার্বে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম ইউজ করব। ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সেও আমরা ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম ইউজ করব। তো কিভাবে আমরা বুঝবো সেটা ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স? লেটস গো। When we find tomorrow, the next, or next day, next week, next week. When we find this adverb, the sentence will be future indefinite tense. Then we will use present form of verb. Though we will here I write a sentence, my father will come home tomorrow. Here present form of verb, though we use here will or shall. In future indefinite tense, the verb will be present form with shall or will. When the subject will be first person, I and we, then we will use shall, and after other person we must use will. So in future indefinite tense we use present form of verb. And also after modal auxiliary we use present form of verb. If you find modal auxiliary shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, then we use present form of verb. Here I write a sentence, just I can write nicely. Here can is a modal auxiliary, so we use present form of verb. So after modal auxiliary we use present form of verb, but here there is exception. If we find be after model auxiliary, then the verb will be past participle form. Today I only discuss on how, where we use present form of verb. So after model auxiliary we use present form of verb. Okay. As an infinitive verb, that means after to. Infinitive easy অর্থাৎ verb with to or to plus verb. To এর পর the verb will be present form. Just look at though it is in non-finite verb, the kind of non-finite verb. I want to play. আমি খেলতে চাই. Here after to the verb is present form. So when we find any word, any verb after to, we call it infinitive. It's the kind of non-finite verb. Then we must use present form of verb. And so now I repeat again, if we find any verb in the sentence where everybody, every day, regularly, usually, generally, always, often, then we use present form of verb. In present indefinite tense, we use present form of verb, but just I write go, it's though it's present form, but it's also base form. Present form go and goes. According to subject, we use sometimes go and sometimes goes. If the subject is third person singular, then we use goes. So I only discuss on without es or s, where we find where I use the present form of verb. Verb present form আমি ব্যবহার করছি es or s ছাড়া. Now I am going to discuss where we use s, es or is. We only use s, es or is when we use present form of verb. In the present indefinite tense, when we find the subject third person singular, do you know person? We can easily say I and we first person, you is second person as a subject, and other all subject will third person. So here I, we first person, you second person, and other subject will be third person. And when the subject will be singular, then it will be third person singular. Just he, she, my name is Apon, your name, and any uncountable noun, just oil, water, etc. When we find the word and third person singular, the subject is third person singular, then we use s, es or is with the base form of verb. Then we call it present form of verb. Okay. So now I am going to discuss where we use S, ES or IS. If we find any O, SS, CH, SH, X, Z, etc. When you find, যখন তোমরা এই বর্ণ বা বর্ণ সমষ্টি কোনো ভার্বের পরে দেখবে, then we use es after verb, but condition is the sentence must be present indefinite tense and subject must be third person singular. যদি সাবজেক্টটা থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার এবং সেন্টেন্সটা প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হয়, then we only use es or ies. So when we find o, sh, ch, sh, x, z, then we use es. Just he, she, catch is base form. So here we find ch and the subject is third person singular. So we can use catches. Yes. When the verb, the sentence will be present indefinite tense and the subject will be third person singular, then we can use es. And also you have to find the letter or letters o, sh, ch, sh, x, z, etc. Okay, I think you can catch the things. And when we find y after any verb and before y there is consonant. যদি কোনো ভার্বের শেষে y থাকে এবং তার পূর্বে যদি কনসোনেন্ট থাকে, then we can use ies. Just follow the example. Father carry an umbrella regularly. So here carry and the sentence is present indefinite tense as we find here regularly. So we find y and before y there is a consonant. So we can use carry. Instead of y we can use ies, carries. So I think you can understand where we can use ies. If we find y and before y there is a consonant, then we can use ies, but condition is the sentence must be present indefinite tense and subject must be third person singular. And in other present indefinite tense, if we find the subject third person singular, then we can use s. Here I want to give you an example. Just he worked in an office. Here work is a verb and he is third person singular, and in this verb there is no s, es, o, x, z, sh, ch or y and before consonant. Here there is no y or any letter or letters I mentioned you, o, x, z, sh, ch. So here we only use works, s. We can use only s. So it's also present form of verb. So dear student, if you want to learn right form of verb, first you need to learn tense, present indefinite tense. I think every tense. Here I only today I only mention you where we can use present form of verb, and so not only you see base form. After model auxiliary we can use present form, but we use base form of verb. And also when we find some other adverb I mention here, you read, you can study your English grammar. There is many other rules where we can present form of verb. Okay, thank you. Today actually I come late, there is no time, so goodbye, thank you very much. I will again meet with you, then I give you more time. So today the shortage of time, I am very sorry, because the ক্লাসটি শুরু হবে 5টায়, কিন্তু আমি ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছিলাম, অনেক দেরিতে উঠেছি, পরে উঠে তোমাদের ক্লাসটা নিলাম। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে, ভালো থাকো, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।